today's wig for this video is gonna be from YOOWIGS. I think it's called Yo or YOOWIGS. Let me stop. We're just gonna say YOOWIGS. I love the packaging. It has this little nice pretty bow. So we about to unbox her so we can see what we're getting. She was so pretty. I really loved how they packaged it. Like, I really love when companies take their time and make their stuff look nice. So when we open it, as you guys can see, they got their little hair wrap. They got the little emblem on here as well. It goes like this. That is freaking cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and take out the wig. So actually that's all that came in the box was the unit. So it did include the little elastic band just in case your unit is too big. But y'all, we got us some balm. Oh shoot, the ticket fell. Y'all, I just looked down my feet and they were white. Like, sis, if somebody see my feet right now, them things is crusty. I have their Royal Film HD lace. This is their silky straight and this is so pretty. Y'all, I'm loving straight hair right now, okay? So of course this is their hairnet, but I just took it off. But this is in 20 inches. It says the knots are bleached, but we about to get into that ourselves and I can already see they're bleached. Oh man, I want to tin it. I love when the units are already bleached. This is the HD lace, which is, like I said, is very, very thin. It's not that the normal standard size lace that we're used to working with. As you guys can see, it is bleached. I am gonna tin it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up close so you guys can see. Look at that beauty. They made sure to tin it, and I mean they made sure the knots were bleached, and I love it. Okay, I love it. So I'm gonna put it on my head. I'm gonna cut the lace off and put it on, but let me go over the construction. So you have a comb at the middle section of your head. Is one here, one here, one here, and then we do have the comb at the back of the nape along with the drawstrings. Okay, I don't use the combs at all if you guys are wondering. Like I said, this is the HD lace, and I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. It's very, very, very thin. It's definitely not the standard lace what we're used to working with. Alright guys, so I'm back. Yes, it's a different day. I actually wore the wig yesterday and looked back at the footage and hated it. So I decided to tint the lace, hence it's tinted. And I washed and conditioned the hair as well. And as you guys know, with straight hair, it does have a slight pattern to it once it's washed, so that is normal. But this is what the hair looks like. So we're gonna get right into this video because sis, we got some bedhead today. Okay, now y'all know we always used to our got2be but I was watching, I think her name is LAURAISA here on YouTube, and she stated this was better than got2be, and I'm here to tell you she wasn't lying, she wasn't capping, since this right here is the new plug for me. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I use it and just everything. We just gonna get right into it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do this little section here. And as you guys can see, when I'm spraying it, it's just going in the area that I'm spraying. It's not going all over the place and doing the most. So I normally like to spray 2 or 3 times in that same section and use my finger to, you know, push the glue back. I mean the hairspray back. I said glue. So I'm gonna take my little blow dryer with the nozzle on it so it can just point in that direction. And I'm using cool heat. I always use cool heat, but you can use warm or heat if you want. It depends. Alright, so as you guys can see, you see that little, it's clear, so it is a little bit tacky. You can also touch it, it's definitely tacky. So you just want to take it and you want to pull it down in that section. I usually pull it just a little bit below my forehead. So you take a comb. Where's my orange comb? You're gonna take the end of your rat tooth tailed comb and you're just gonna push down. That way the glue, or you can use this end of the comb and push down as well, just so it can be pressed into there. And then you're gonna take your dryer again and just push on there. It's literally the same way you would with got2be glue, but this, when I tell you, baby, this holds it intact a little bit more than got2be glue. It really does. So this is what it's looking like. You see that? No whiteness, no line. Well, I do got my baby hairs in there, but still, you guys get my dreads. Oh my goodness, like, really? Do I got this on right? I think I should have shifted it a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that throughout my whole entire head. And like I said, it's no different from GOT2BE glue. Just with this glue, it's more stronger. So normally once I do that, I have a section here that's lifting up just a little bit, so you can either go and spray directly on top. I notice when I do that, I get ashiness, so I'm just gonna spray it on the back of the comb, and then sit it under there and just spread it evenly under there. This works 20 times better for me than spraying it on that section, because it makes it really ashy if you go back in. Like I said, once you see it turn clear, it's definitely tacky. So you can just take the end of your comb and just press down, press it in, and then you can take your blow dryer again and make sure it's completely dry, sis. This, I don't know, this whole just does something to me. It's so much better than GOT2BE glue. And let me tell you, when it dries 10 times quicker than GOT2BE glue. GOT2BE glue played around and it would pretend that it's dry. This, no, it just dries. Now you may see a little bit like of a greasiness or like oily in that area. To me it looks natural, because like, since you want your hair to be looking, I would rather for my hair to look oily than ashy and dry with crumbs and flakes coming out. If you use it on a higher heating setting, I noticed yesterday I tried warm and it started flaking up on me. I hated that because it really turned white. So it's not like it won't turn white like GOT2BE glue, because GOT2BE glue will do the same thing with that white residue. This does the same thing, to be honest. So that's one thing I noticed too. It will cake up and turn white on you if you put too much of the product on, or you do not let it fully, or you put too much heat. All right, y'all, so it's been a couple of minutes. We about to take her down. It's probably been like 5. So, this is what she's looking like. This is what she is looking like. This is what she's giving us at this moment. And it looks 10 times better, actually. Once everything goes down, it always looks better. So I think I want to do a middle part, but I want to make sure everything is straight. So I am going to go in with my Bio Silk and spray the roots so I can go ahead and straighten her out. And this product, y'all, has been my favorite. I've been loving this product. It makes my hair so soft and so silky. Coming with my handy dandy hot comb, and we're just gonna go ahead and straighten out these roots. Oh, I gotta get my wax stick. But I want to keep my baby hair soft. Y'all know that soft look? That's the type of vibes I'm going for. You know how you start changing and you don't like stuff no more? That's exactly where I'm at in my life. Like, I don't know, I'm just not, I want everything to look as natural as possible. Y'all, so far so good. My lace ain't lifting. I'm trying not to put the product directly on the lace, and more so putting the mousse. Like, I got this little thing here. I put the mousse on here and I'm just dipping my brush in it. is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is how the baby hairs and everything turns out. It's gonna be a minute for me. It's gonna be a whole freaking minute for me to get used to my baby hairs not being stuck down to my head. As you guys can see, they're very, very loose, and I feel like it looks a little bit more natural versus the nice and neat look. But this is how she's looking. Honestly, I'm in love with this company's hair. I don't care what nobody says. You guys see this body and this shine? The only thing I did was wash it, and I co-washed it, and I put the 𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘 Therapy heat protectant on the roots. I should have put this throughout the hair, but then I used the 𝚍𝚘𝚘𝚑 Silk Infusion as well to flat iron the rest of the hair. So y'all, this hair is bomb.com. I love the HD feature. This was my first time trying the HD lace feature, so I noticed that the lace was thinner than what I'm used to working with, and I really felt like it aided in me getting a flawless, everything blended and looking very, very flawless, because it was a little bit thinner than the standard lace that, you know, most hair companies use. Now, I didn't put any concealer on the part. I wanted you guys to see what it actually looks like without me, you know, always going in and manipulating the part, so I just left it as is. You can add concealer if you want to have that dramatic look, like, okay, my part is straight AF, but I didn't do that. Minimal shedding and tangling. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this company. I don't have any cons, as y'all can see. The unit speaks for itself. I ain't got to sit here and tell y'all, you know, it speaks for itself. Y'all can see the flawlessness in this unit on its own. So yeah, let's get into the bed head. Now, the bed head, I was kind of skeptical when, I think her name is LAURAISA, she recommended this, and I was kind of skeptical because, number one, I looked at the price. I was like, $20? Got2be Glue is only $6, $7, so I was like, But normally when you go up in price, the product is always better, and honestly, it was 10 times better than Got2be Glue. I'm sorry I had to break up with you, Got2be Glue. We had a good time. I enjoyed the ride with you. It was bag, it was boo, it was everything. But my heart is now with bedhead. This is the plug, man. Okay, but this hold is so much strong. Oh, pulling the wrong area. This hold is so much stronger to me than Got2be Glue. I never could do that with Got2be Glue without anything lifting up. Like my whole head's moving. Like, sis, this is really, this is the gag. This is the plug. This is just life right now. So super duper, super duper, super duper, super duper excited, okay, for this product, okay? And also, like I said, it lets you know when it's tacky because it turns clear. Everything just looks so freaking, I'm trying to show y'all my good side because the other side, that baby hair, is ugly. But everything was so freaking flawless and seamlessly. I'm just obsessed, okay? So bedhead is the new product for me. You guys can stick with Got2be Glue, but I would say test it out. If you don't want to spend $20 on this, get the trial size is $10, but it's worth it. And I'm telling you, once you use it, you're not going back, sis. I'm telling you, you're gonna break right on out with Got2be Glue. You're not gonna go back. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and all the information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.